So it is day one of bathroom remodel. Here's again, why is it so close? Um, so here again is the before. Not bad, but like no one's really lived here for a couple years. So I'm gonna start by taking out this cabinet and then probably the vanity, toilet, and then this tub surround. We got the shoe molded off, the vanity top, and then we're gonna take the vanity and then the toilet and the rest of the trim floor. All that's coming out. Yeah, that'll look good.
What this is. That's one, that's two, that's three.
And then that's subfloor.
Subfloor.
Which, let's get to it. Of subfloor. The second layer was like completely rotted, but so far the joist, which you can see right there, looks to be in good condition. So hopefully the rest of them are like that as well. It gotta look crazy before it look good. Wow, that wasn't recording. I'm sitting here talking. It wasn't even recording.
Oh.
So here's current progress. We have taken out all the floors, as well as the shower. We do have some mold behind the shower. So I'll be replacing this drywall. And then we just need to add the subfloor back in, but we have to wait for the batteries to charge. Okay, here we go. Day two. We have nailed down the subfloor, and now I'm going to begin adding the cement board. Okay, so I started cutting the cement board. I've already cut this to the length of the room. I just have to cut out the little, I don't know, alcove notch. Sorry guys, that wasn't the best footage, but welcome to a new day of bathroom remodel. So the last clip you saw, we were laying down the cement floor, and my dad was here, my mom was here, my cousin was here, and I was supposed to go ahead and lay the tile, but you know, certain kind of tasks I would rather just do by myself, like on my own time without interruption. So I tried to come back 2 days ago, forgot the keys in Raleigh, and I went thrifting and I found some good stuff. So before this video, I should have seen like a thrift haul, so I might as well include this in here. So I got 2 of these, $5 each, from Habitat for Humanity, as well as this weird little dish here. I don't know, the holes kind of make me feel uncomfortable, but I still like it, and it was only $3, so I got it. I think a good spot to like drop my keys and stuff when I come in. And then also on Facebook Marketplace, I found this chair here. Like, isn't it cute? It's like the perfect accent chair. I thought the colors was gonna be too close with the couch, but it's actually quite different. But I still think I'm gonna reupholster it. So today, I'm here to do the tiles on the floor, as well as test fit the new shower. So I've already been playing with the tiles. They look so good. So I have started cutting tile, which sounds scary, but since I've cut glass, I've realized it's not that hard. My tiles ain't perfect, but it's gonna be covered up with trim and caulk, and grout does a lot. So this is what I've cut so far. Just this edge here. And I was starting with my center line, but since my tile repeats so much, I'm gonna see if I can fit like one whole tile here and here, like, and just shift everything down. So last tile is in. The spaces in between the tiles, I'm trying to keep them as consistent as possible. I might end up redrawing a new line. With this pattern, I felt like it's gonna be very easy for it to be off, but since there's not that much floor space, like the vanity is gonna come out like pretty far, as well as this toilet. So it's not gonna be that big of a deal, but you know, I feel like it's more nerve-wracking doing a floor than it is a backsplash. Like I said, I'm not going for perfection. Honestly, we're not doing, like, it's not like we're on a design show and we're making sure everything is like up to code. I'm really just trying to make it pretty and last, you know, like 5 to 10 years. At that point, I feel like we need to redo the entire house. So we just doing it. And I feel like I'm talking too much, and I need to do this before it gets dark. So my dad said I need to have this truck back before it gets dark outside. So okay, so I am almost done, and here we go. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. And I ran out of mortar, so I had to go to Lowe's and get more. I got the premixed kind because they didn't have that many of the powdered kind, and It's probably about the same. And this was $15, and the other one was $20. So I'm gonna quickly finish the rest of these tiles, and then I'll show you guys the final look. Y'all look at this. I can't do math. And I was thinking it was about 28 square feet. So I got 30, thinking, boom, we're good. No, it was more than that. And I used every bit of tile except for a couple of the black pieces, or all the black pieces across here. Well, probably half. But I don't account for all of this. And then I just went to the store and got mortar. I do like the premix way better. Like, it's like the perfect consistency, and you don't gotta mix stuff up. If I had got the mixed or the powder, it had mixed up a big old bucket, and then I run out of tiles, I would have been hot. So thank you, Lord, because he was definitely looking out. But yes, guys, it looks so good. It looks so good. I love it. And I'm still trying to go back and forth between black or white grout. The white's gonna pop, but also I think, like, even with it like dark now, I really don't want to do gray, but honestly it's not looking that bad with the gray underneath. But anywho, I'll see you guys probably not tomorrow, but yeah, the next day. Bye.